Hey guys, welcome to the View Cryptos channel. Today the total crypto market cap is above $1,750 billion, and here on the chart we are seeing the sharp increase since the beginning of the year, which is very bullish for the cryptocurrency market. And of course we are seeing that the big central banks are continuing to destroy the value of their fiat currencies. We're seeing, of course, the Federal Reserve. Here you see Biden signs the $1.9 trillion COVID relief bill, clearing way for stimulus checks, vaccine aid. So the Federal Reserve will continue to print dollars and destroy the value of the dollar. And also, the European Central Bank is doing the same thing. The ECB is going to print more euros. So you can see, let's see this.
First, we will continue to conduct net asset purchases under the Pandemic Emergency Purchase Program with a total envelope of 1,800 billion euros until at least the end of March 22, and in any case, until the Governing Council judges that the coronavirus crisis phase is over.
And of course, this is very bullish for XLM, because we have a limited amount of XLM and many central banks are already looking at the Stellar network in order to use the Stellar network as a protocol for moving value cross-border. And here we have a tweet from Stellar. Our partner, Interstellar, has officially joined forces with Value Protocol. The two teams combined are in a strong position to make giant leaps for international payments in Southeast Asia powered by Stellar. And here they're retweeting this tweet from Interstellar. We're joining forces with Value Protocol. Mike Kennedy, up until now, the CEO of Interstellar, founder and former CEO of Zelle, becomes Value Labs' new CEO. So we are seeing new partnerships, which is very good for the Stellar ecosystem. Also, I want to mention here the Cosmos network. I'm very bullish also on the Cosmos network, and there are different projects that are being built currently on top of the Cosmos network using, they're going to use the IBC protocol, the inter-blockchain communication protocol, which will bridge different public blockchain networks. And this is really powerful and really amazing. So here you see different categories of applications and blockchains that are being built: finance, infrastructure, privacy, social impact, marketplace, social, games, smart contracts, microservice, enterprise, decentralized exchanges, productivity, and other uncategorized. So you can check all of these projects and you can decide for yourself which of them have future and which of them are going to do well. But all in all, I think that the Cosmos network as a whole has a very bright future, and many of the projects that are going to be built on top of the Cosmos network and that are already actually built on top of the Cosmos network are going to have a really bright future, because they are going to be able to use the inter-blockchain communication protocol, and they are going to be able to interoperate with blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. So this is the power of the Cosmos network. And the Atom token, which is the native token of the Cosmos Hub, is going to play a central role in this ecosystem, in my opinion. That is why I'm so bullish on the Atom token. So we are going to see, of course, but my opinion is that the Cosmos network is going to be in the top 10 cryptocurrency projects in the future. And basically, the central banks are destroying the value of the fiat currencies little by little, and that is why the value of cryptocurrencies is going to go higher and higher and higher. So if you are wondering why this is happening, I just want to let you watch a part of the speech of Christine Lagarde from 11th of March, and she's going to tell you how the ECB is going to continue to destroy the value of the euro. So let's watch.
While the overall economic situation is expected to improve over 2021, there remains uncertainty surrounding the near-term economic outlook, relating in particular to the dynamics of the pandemic and the speed of vaccination campaigns. The rebound in global demand and additional fiscal measures are supporting global and euro area activity. But persistently high rate of coronavirus infection, the spread of virus mutations, and the associated extension and tightening of containment measures are weighing on euro area economic activity in the short term. Looking ahead, the ongoing vaccination campaigns, together with the envisaged gradual relaxation of containment measures, underpin the expectations of a firm rebound in economic activity in the course of 2021. Inflation has picked up over recent months, mainly on account of some transitory factors and an increase in energy price inflation. At the same time, underlying price pressures remain subdued in the context of weak demand and significant slack in labor and product markets. While our latest staff projection exercise foresee a gradual increase in underlying inflation pressures, it confirms that the medium-term inflation outlook remains broadly unchanged from the staff projections in December 2020 and below our inflation aim. In these conditions, preserving favorable financing conditions over the pandemic period remains essential. Financing conditions are defined by a holistic and multifaceted set of indicators, spanning the entire transmission chain of monetary policy, from risk-free interest rates and sovereign yields to corporate bond yields and bank credit conditions. Market interest rates have increased since the start of the year, which poses a risk to wider financing conditions. Banks use risk-free interest rates and sovereign bond yields as key references for determining credit conditions. If sizable and persistent increases in these market interest rates, when left unchecked, could translate into a premature tightening of financing conditions for all sectors of the economy. This is undesirable at a time when preserving favorable financing conditions still remains necessary to reduce uncertainty and bolster confidence, thereby underpinning economic activity and safeguarding medium-term price stability. Against this background, the Governing Council decided the following. First, we will continue to conduct net asset purchases under the Pandemic Emergency Purchase Programme with a total envelope of 1,800 billion euros until at least the end of March 22, and in any case, until the Governing Council judges that the coronavirus crisis phase is over. Based on a joint assessment of financing conditions and the inflation outlook, the Governing Council expects purchases under the PEP over the next quarter to be conducted at a significantly higher pace than during the first months of this year. We will purchase flexibly according to market conditions and with a view to preventing a tightening of financing conditions that is inconsistent with countering the downward impact of the pandemic on the projected path of inflation. In addition, the flexibility of purchases over time, across asset classes and among jurisdictions, will continue to support the smooth transmission of monetary policy. If favorable financing conditions can be maintained with asset purchase flows that do not exhaust the envelope over the net purchase horizon of the PEP, the envelope need not be used in full. Equally, the envelope can be recalibrated, if required, to maintain favorable financing conditions to help counter the negative pandemic shock to the path of inflation.
Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. If you want to support the channel, please like, subscribe and share. Be safe and see you next time.